The American Red Cross has been involved in a partnership with the Asia Disaster Preparedness Center since 2009. And in particular, we work on first responder training at the community level and on early warning at the community level as well. And then some tailor-made training that complements the work that we do within the Red Cross and Red Crescent movement. So in that way, ADPC brings real value to the work we do by bolstering our skill set and filling in the gaps where we might not have the capacity or particular skills in country. And it also gives us an opportunity to promote the work that we've done over the years through the Red Cross movement in promoting, streamlining some of the materials and training that we have on hand. So there's an opportunity for a lot of cross-learning. And I would also say that ADPC is very well poised in Asia to serve as a real sort of nexus for partnerships. And certainly within the Red Cross and Red Crescent movement, we have a lot of partners, millions of volunteers, representation at the community level throughout the world. But we sometimes just look within ourselves, our Red Cross family, and we need to look out more to avail ourselves of the experience beyond the Red Cross movement. So in that way, it's a real exciting partnership and certainly one that the American Red Cross values very highly. I have worked with the Asia Disaster Preparedness Center for the past 10 years, and during that time I have certainly seen a major contribution in the area of sharing information, lessons learned, helping us accumulate a better evidence base on what works at the community level for disaster risk reduction, and how we need to really integrate those experiences to help shape policy throughout different levels of government, national disaster management agencies in each country and the hydrometeorological services and whatnot. So we really need to connect the dots better, and ADPC has made a huge contribution in helping us do that. And then also I would say in the training capacity. You know, it requires a lot of human resources to train people, and it's just a difficult endeavor, and it's a slow going sometimes. We have to have a cumulative effect to really have impact. So ADPC has really made a significant impact in that area. I would say definitely it is more challenging to galvanize support around disaster preparedness. Traditionally, we see resources come in for disaster response, and you know, when a disaster happens, it's in the limelight, it's in the news, and people are very concerned about meeting emergency needs, saving lives, and providing critical relief, and then getting people back on their feet, so helping them recover their livelihoods and other productive assets. The issue is that there's so much more we can do on the front end, and we know as practitioners in this field that money is far better spent prior to disaster happening. So the Red Cross and Red Crescent network, for example, concentrates a lot of time and energy on the front end of disasters so that when they do occur, communities are better prepared. ADPC has really promoted this concept as well, and I think they're helping us galvanize more support around that issue and advocating for more attention to what we can do before disaster strikes.